Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to enable or disable the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome browser. So open Google Chrome and press three dots on top right corner of the screen and go to settings. Then go to appearance on the left tab, and as you can see, there's option for turning on and off the bookmarks bar. So as soon as we turn it on, the bookmark bar appears. If you want to disable it again, just turn it off and it will be disabled. Okay everyone, this is pretty simple, straightforward process. I hope you will like it. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.